Division A, roll number 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3, 4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9, roll number
Present,
9,
ma'am. Present.
10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
15, 16,
Present, ma'am.
17, roll number 17, 18,
Present, ma'am.
19, roll number 19, 20,
Present, ma'am.
21, roll number 21, 22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
okay, 24,
Present, ma'am.
25,
25.
26, roll number 26, 27,
Present, ma'am.
28,
Present, ma'am.
29, roll number 29, 30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35, roll number 35,
Present, ma'am.
Division B, roll number 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3,
Present, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10, roll number 10,
Present,
11,
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
12,
Present,
roll number
ma'am.
13, 14,
Present, ma'am.
15,
Present, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20, roll number 20, 21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24,
Present, ma'am.
25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Present, miss.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28,
Present, ma'am.
29,
Present, ma'am.
30,
Present, ma'am.
31, 31, 32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35,
Present, ma'am.
Division B, who all are present? 29, okay. Jessica, I've marked you present. And okay, anybody else for the attendance?
8:35.
8:35. You are marked present.
8:31.
8:31. Yes, you are, Mukta.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Anuj, you are marked present. Now, whatever I taught you all yesterday, is there any confusion, any problem in that? Merchant of Venice chapter में किसी को कोई problem है?
No, ma'am.
सबने पढ़ा था उसको as a play? Okay, so we'll be starting with the chapter 2 today. Okay, and just a second.
मुझे ये नहीं समझा, ये 13 में ये शार्लॉक ने बोला था Athenian come to judgment या Athenian he kissed the hem of a rock.
Wait a second, Brinda. Wait a second.
Page 13.
Page number
13.
हाँ, उसमें क्या नहीं समझ में आया?
उसमें ये जो लाइन है ना शार्लॉक की,
A denial came to a judgment.
Daniel and he kissed the hem of a rock. मतलब
Let me see what you are talking about.
on page number 13 ये जो शार्लॉक का है ना, हम इसमें इसके बाद में एक ब्रैकेट में है ना, उसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ.
Here it is, most reverend doctor. Here it is.
No, page 13. Daniel come to judgment. ये पोर्शिया शार्लॉक का.
Okay. A Daniel come to a judgment. Here Daniel.
हाँ, उसमें
This
ये
one.
ब्रैकेट में है ना, वो मुझे नहीं समझा.
Okay. See, there was basically something known as कि इसमें पीछे explanation दिया है आपको if you read it. Shylock is basically referring towards a person और एक story थी Daniel and Susanna की. ठीक है, it was about the book and the Bible and their story and उसके establishment के बारे में थी. So उसमें ये था कि जब जेसिका जो सुजैना थी, when she was up to something wrong, उसके साथ कुछ गलत हुआ था या क्या था, तो it is said as that of a story of a god wherein a god sent his one person named Daniel to the earth and यहाँ पे आके उन्होंने ये उसको रेस्क्यू करने के लिए, उसकी मदद करने के लिए, जो सुजैना थी उसकी मदद करने के लिए भेजा था. ठीक है. So basically Daniel is considered as that of a word of a god. ठीक है, उन्होंने उसका यहाँ पे वो रेफरेंस लिया है and simply they say that Daniel means the word of wisdom. Okay, so यहाँ पे while saying this term as that ये statement a Daniel come to judgment, yeah, a Daniel मतलब Sherlock wants कि whatever the judgment would come, it should be considered as that of a word of a God, and thus it should be very just and right. Okay, यहाँ पे जजमेंट को उन्होंने डैनियल से कंपेयर किया है कि जो भी जजमेंट आएगा इट विल बी मतलब इट शुड बी द वर्ड ऑफ गॉड, एंड दस जो भी आप जजमेंट दे रहे हो वो बिल्कुल सही डायरेक्शन में आना चाहिए, इट शुड नॉट बी रॉन्ग. ओके, ठीक है वृंदा? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Vrinda, are you clear with your doubt?
Yes.
Okay. ठीक है, so ये सबको समझ में आ गया? Next, let's start with next chapter. That is Henry Fielding, Joseph Andrews, chapter 2. This we are basically going to talk about a lady who finds another lady or another person a bit of out of jealousy, etc. So वहाँ पे what are the things that she wants a person to do illegally, and that is why this particular chapter is concerned to law, because इसके अंदर जो मेन कैरेक्टर है लेडी बूबी नाम की, she is quite jealous of other lady who is there in the town. Although lady booby in herself is somebody who is from a very from the biggest family, and she is the one who is ruling the town or the country yard or whatever. So when she gets to know that there is another lady जिसको बहुत praise मिल रहा है, जिसकी सब लोग बहुत तारीफ कर रहे हैं, and उसको बहुत ही ज़्यादा beautiful कह रहे हैं, they are appreciating her like anything. So when she gets to know this fact and she gets to know कि there is a man who wants to marry that particular lady, okay, and that man is nobody else but a person from her town and her people only. तो उसको ये चीज बड़ी बुरी लगती है, and she founds it very out of jealousy. She asked her country her first man जो उसके अंडर होता है उससे बोलती है कि you should not allow this man to marry this girl, because if they will marry, so they will consummate for of course, and if they consummate there will be children, एंड अगर बच्चे होंगे तो दे विल बी आर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, हमारी कंट्री की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बन जाएंगे, हमारी कंट्री का नाम मिल जाएगा उनको. सो शी डजंट वांट्स एनी ऑफ हर ऑफस्प्रिंग्स टू बी देयर इन द कंट्री. ओके, सो नाउ डूइंग ऑल दिस वेदर इट हैज अ लीगल स्टेटस और नॉट, ये सब सुन के जो आदमी होता है हु हैज बीन देयर विद हर, और मतलब he was there to please her basically. So when this thing a man hears, और उसको ये सुनने में आता है कि वो ऐसा कह रही है, so वो मुंह पे मना कर देता है, because कौन किससे क्या शादी करना चाहता है, being an adult it cannot be denied and it is against the law. So he says कि we cannot ask them not to get married, first thing, because generally पहले के जमाने में क्या होता था कि when two people used to approach to get married, so what they used to do was वो 3 बार उसका अनाउंसमेंट होता था फ्रॉम द चर्च इटसेल्फ कि किसी को कोई ऑब्जेक्शन तो नहीं है, किसी को कोई ऑब्जेक्शन तो नहीं है, बिकॉज अगर किसी को ऑब्जेक्शन होता है तो वो सामने से बता दे, अगर नहीं होता है तो ये द मैरिज कैन बी टेकन प्लेस. अगर किसी को ऑब्जेक्शन होता है तो जिसको ऑब्जेक्शन होता है उसको रीजनिंग देनी पड़ती है कि उसको शादी से क्यों ऑब्जेक्शन है, और जब उसको ऑब्जेक्शन उसका पता लग जाता है, सो अकॉर्डिंगली द डिसीजन इज टेकन बाय द प्रीस्ट एंड द पीपल प्रेजेंट इन द चर्च. ओके, सो हियर सिंपल सी बात यह है कि जो वहाँ का कल्चर और जिस चीज को ये डिपिक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं अपने इस राइट और प्ले में, वो सिर्फ ये डिपिक्ट करता है कि देयर वाज अ मतलब अ वेरी बिग प्लेस जहाँ की जो जैसे हम लोग माय लॉर्ड बोलते हैं, वैसे ही वहां पे उस लेडी को माय लेडीशिप बोलते थे, टू ऑनर हर, टू गिव हर ऑनर। एंड जो बड़े बड़े राजघराने होते थे या जो बड़े बड़े किंग क्वींस होते थे, प्रिंस प्रिंसेस होते थे पहले के जमाने में स्पेशली, they used to have people who were kept to please them in all manners. Okay, so किसी भी तरीके से वो प्लीज करने के लिए अवेलेबल रहते थे। सो यहाँ पे जो कॉन्वर्सेशन बेसिकली पूरे उसमें चला है, दैट इज फ्रॉम पर्सन एडम्स टू लेडी बूबी। ओके, एंड इसके अंदर ये सब जब पूरी बात होती है और वो उनको बोलते हैं कि यू आर नॉट, मतलब जो पर्सन होते हैं वो डिनाई कर देते हैं लेडी बूबी को कि आई कैन नॉट डू दिस बिकॉज 3 जो अनाउंसमेंट्स होने होते हैं, यू कैन से 3 जो अनाउंसमेंट्स होने होते हैं फ्रॉम द चर्च, वो अनाउंसमेंट्स वो हो चुके हैं। एंड जैसे ही वो अनाउंसमेंट्स हो जाएंगे तो दे विल गेट मैरिड। शायद उनमें से एक आध कोई बचा होता है, एंड अगर वो अनाउंसमेंट हो जाते हैं तो दे कैन गेट मैरिड, एंड इफ दे गेट मैरिड तो ऑब्वियसली दे विल बी कंज्यूमेशन ऑफ द मैरिज। सो person basically denies this lady booby to do any such unlawful act कि आप किसी को मना कर दो कि नहीं, you are not allowed to get married or so what she does is कि वो बाद में एक दूसरा बंदा होता है जो अपने आप को एडवोकेट कहता है, जोसेफ नाम का। ठीक है, वो जोसेफ को पकड़ती है बेसिकली, एंड जोसेफ से ये चाहती है कि जोसेफ इस चीज को करे जो कि पार्सन नहीं कर पाया, एंड पार्सन ने मना कर दिया। उन्होंने जब पार्सन ने मना भी किया था ना करने के लिए, तो पार्सन को उन्होंने मतलब शी literally threatened him with things, and he also said one thing that if you will do this you have people to be there जिनको you have to feed, तुम्हारे पास लोग होने चाहिए, तुम्हारे पास लोग हैं तो तुम्हें सैलरी चाहिए होगी। indirectly she was saying that she will throw him off। ठीक है, so अब जब ये बात हो गई तो Parson also said that at least even if he will throw away from the job and he'll not be having any job etc, because उसको उस लेडी ने निकाल दिया जिसके नीचे सब कुछ है, जिसके अंडर सब कुछ मैनेज हो रहा है। So he says कि that's okay, I will survive and my family will survive somehow and I don't mind that. The only thing I would I prefer is justice, and if I'll not be able to do justice with somebody who is not doing any kind of crime, they are just trying to get married, and है ना, and there is no you can say इसके अंदर कोई गलत बात नहीं है, इसके अंदर कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है which might be considered as that of illegal or anything। okay, so वो deny कर देता है and he denies it happily। so now मेरे जो लेडी बूबी है वो जोसेफ को पकड़ती हैं, ओके, जिसका नाम जोसेफ एंड्रयूज है। इस पूरे एक्ट में, इस पूरे चैप्टर में उसी का पूरा डिस्कशन है। एंड जोसेफ को वो पकड़ने के बाद ही इज बेसिकली मतलब जो एडवोकेट है दैट इज मिस्टर स्काउट, एंड उसको बुलाया जाता है, उससे बात करी जाती है और उसको ये बोला जाता है कि यू विल हैव टू डील विद दिस लीगली, एंड आपको किसी तरह ये मैरिज रुकवानी होगी। जो मिस्टर स्काउट होते हैं वो इस चीज को काफी यू कैन से, जो मिस्टर स्काउट होते हैं वो अपने आप को काफी एक, ही इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ कॉन। I hope you people understand who is a con. A con is a person who pretends to be something but he is not actually। ठीक है, एंड वो किस तरह आगे उस चीज को डील करते हैं इसके ऊपर पूरा ये एक्ट एंड प्ले है। ठीक है, सो I'll not be basically starting with general note or about the book. I'll directly start with the chapter 2. There is a dialogue between Mr. Ibrahim Adams and Lady Booby. Mr. Adams was not far off. He was drinking ladyish health below the cup of the ale. He no sooner came before her and she became in the following manner. I wonder, sir, after the many great obligations you have to his family, with all the red hat reader has, in the course of the history, been minutely acquainted, that you will ungratefully show any respect to the fellow who had been turned out of who had been turned out of it for his misdeeds. Nor doth it, I can tell you, sir, became man very of your character to run about a country with an idle fellow of wench. Indeed, as of for the girl, I know no harm to her. Slipslop tells me she was formerly bred up in my house and behaved as she ought till she hankered after this fellow, and he spoiled her. Nay, she may still perhaps do very well if he will let her alone. You are therefore doing a monstrous thing in endeavoring to procure a match between these two people, which will be ruin for them both. Now, यहाँ पे जो दो लोगों के बीच में बात हो रही है, that is Mr. Abraham Adams and Lady Booby. Um, लेडी बूबी को आप बेसिकली एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर बोल सकते हो, मे बी हु इज वेरी डोमिनेटिंग एंड ही शी वांट्स टू टर्न एवरी टेबल टुवर्ड्स हरसेल्फ. सो यहाँ पे मिस्टर एडम्स की बात हो रही है, और जिस तरीके की सिचुएशन और जिस तरीके का पिक्चराइजेशन ये करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इट मीन्स दैट दे आर सिटिंग इन अ वेरी यू नो इन दैट अ मैनर मिस्टर एडम्स इज सिटिंग टू प्लीज लेडी बूबी. एंड जब वो लेडी बूबी से बात कर रहे होते हैं तो लेडी बूबी कहती है कि you are somebody who has other responsibilities of your family as well, which shows that Mr. Adam is a married person. Okay, so he's telling ki after even you have the family members to please and to work with, then too you are here and doing the job. So Adam says ki bhai simple si baat hai ki I have been doing some job because this is the need of the hour and I am asked to do so. So here यहाँ पे बात हो रही है, then he start talking about the person and the man who is concerned to Lady Booby. उनके बारे में बात करती है, यानी कि जोसेफ के बारे में, एंड उनको बताते हैं कि जोसेफ इज somebody who is running around a lady who is in the town. She is somebody that nobody knows, and उसको काफी मतलब वो पैम्पर कर रहे हैं, उनके साथ काफी टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. एंड सिंपल सी बात है कि अगर वो उसको अकेला छोड़ देते उस लेडी को. जोसेफ, हेलो
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt in between. Could you do me a favor, ma'am?
यस देव.
Can you project or present that particular PDF about the legal and the topic you're teaching right now, the second chapter? I don't have the notes for that. Notes or the book.
Okay. They for that I'll have to make a PDF and then send it. If you, how many of you don't have the book?
We don't have. I don't have. Ma'am.
I don't have, ma'am.
Me too, ma'am.
Me
Actually,
too, ma'am. We don't have one.
Okay. Actually, so without the book, it will be difficult for you people to understand this because the language is of Old English, है ना? So I'll do one, है ना? I know this thing, and चलो फिर I'll take the pictures of it and I'll try to send it as a PDF, and then I'll continue with it. Shall I do it that way? Because ऐसे समझ में नहीं आएगा.
Yeah, ma'am, because out of the 70 people, I doubt if even 10 people have the book.
Okay. So tell me one thing, in Mumbai or wherever you people are right now, Amazon delivery नहीं हो रही है क्या?
No, ma'am.
Only essentials.
Amazon पे available ही नहीं है.
No, ma'am.
Out of stock है.
And ma'am, the Lord Denning book, it has so many variations that one of the book costs $8,000, and there is a Southeast Asia version. Yeah, that. Also, I went to I know there is another one which is the Southeast Asia edition. I also went to many bookstores. Even they don't have by the Bhavnani book, and also the Lord Denning Due Process of Law book. So for Due Process of Law, we have managed the part 1 to 5 ka PDF, but for the other one, we don't have anything. So for my project also, I've managed a PDF, the entire book of Mark Twain. So I'm going to
Okay.
refer that for my project.
So मुझे बेटा पहले बता देते so it would have been easy. कल एक चैप्टर कर भी लिया and second जब तक पढ़ोगे नहीं तब तक you will not be able to understand because it is in old English language ना.
Yeah, ma'am. Because Merchant of Venice is a very famous case, and there are many
वो तो
references
पढ़ा
and
हुआ
yeah,
होगा.
yeah, yeah. There are plays and all made on it, so it can be referred. But other chapters are difficult.
I know it is. Now the problem is okay. How many of you have the book?
Have the book. Ma'am, I have the book.
Ma'am, even I have.
Even I have the book, ma'am.
Even I have both the books.
Even I have the
So okay. Listen, girls. If you can, then please make a PDF of the chapters individually and share it in your group. You may share it in the group in where teachers are also there, or you may share. अगर आप लोग का कोई separate group है WhatsApp पे, which I'm sure होगा, तो उसके ऊपर you can share the PDF. Because
Ma'am,
हाँ
it's
बेटा.
okay. I have spoken with Anurag. He's ready to make the PDF for the entire book, which is the part 1 section, which is going to come for the first semester. He'll create it and he'll give it by tomorrow maybe or tonight.
ठीक है. So
Yeah.
you may share it within yourselves और उसके बाद we can start with it because I would prefer कि while I'm teaching you people also read the chapter along. खाली वो सुनने वाला काम नहीं करो because लॉर्ड डेनिंग की बुक वाज ओके, वो नॉर्मल इंग्लिश में थी and you can read it afterwards और correlate करके you can study. But this you will have to study line by line because of the language that is there ना. Because 1742 का राइट अप है तो उसमें लैंग्वेज भी वैसी ही है. ओके. सो लेट्स डू वन थिंग कि हम लोग ये चीज कल कंटिन्यू कर लेते हैं. मे बी टुमारो. यस. एंड ऑल्सो देयर आफ्टर अदर चैप्टर्स ऑल्सो हम लोग कल ही के बाद कंटिन्यू करते हैं बिकॉज पूरा ही ऐसा हो रखा है. ठीक है. अभी अगर आप लोग को if you people have anything else to talk about, we can talk about it, about your topics or anything else you didn't understood also.
Ma'am, I'll look after it that everyone receives the copy of PDF for the book.
That would be great, Dev,
Yeah.
because ये ऐसे ना it won't be मेरे लिए me myself is finding it a bit difficult to read it and mark it because मेरा भी लिखते लिखते पूरा every word I have a meaning written in my book. That is how I am able to teach you people because of it being in a old English language na.
Ma'am, it would be a great favor from your side if you could just give out your notes which you have made for explaining us. We'll figure out the textbook part. So the important words and all of those things.
मैंने ये चीज सोची थी. I thought of it to make a notes of at least these book ना, this book law and literature वाली book का notes बना के, and I thought to share it with you people. But the problem for me right now is that I'm in transit. I'm going from one place to another and another to another. So once I reach to my destination, thereafter I'll start making notes, and the moment I'll make the notes, I'll be sending it to you people in the group itself. ठीक है?
Yeah, ma'am, it's fine. It should be convenient for you. That's what matters. We'll figure it out.
I know I myself study with the notes only, but the thing is कि I have been traveling na, and I have to travel for another 2 days more. So once I reach to the destination where I'm supposed to go, there I'll reach, and in a day or two I'll try to give you notes. And कोशिश ये करूंगी कि हर lecture से पहले whatever chapter I'm going to deal with, I make notes and I'll send you people.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
That
So
would be
that
great. Thank you so much.
once we study तो आप लोगों को कोई problem ना हो उसके अंदर. ठीक है? So there is one more thing. I'll not be taking class day after tomorrow, that is Friday and Saturday. There will be no class of mine because again I'll be traveling. Okay. And Sunday I cannot assure whether I'll take a class or not. If I'll be taking class, it might be after afternoon or in the evening. If that will be convenient, I'll convey you people prior, and then I'll take Sunday को class. Except that next week से regular classes होंगी. ठीक है? For my subject at least. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
So I don't find any good reason to continue अभी this chapter. Once you people get the chapters, फिर we can continue. वैसे I have given you an outline to this chapter. I'll continue it tomorrow because अभी ऐसे समझ नहीं आएगा फिर. Okay? So तब तक you people can share the PDF with yourselves, and then we can continue the chapter tomorrow. ठीक है? I'll try to make the notes today. अगर इसके बना पाती हूँ तो I'll send it in the group by then. ठीक है?
Ma'am. Hello.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, so for class test,
Yes.
which are the chapters gonna be there?
Did you people receive any dates for the class test?
No, ma'am.
It's 10th of
10th of May. I have no news about it कि आप लोग का 10th May को पेपर है. Because I haven't made a paper also. मुझसे अभी तक कहा भी नहीं गया कि मुझे पेपर बनाना है. And पेपर पैटर्न जो बेटा क्लास टेस्ट का होता है, it is MCQ. ठीक है. And 10 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. उसके अंदर every question carries 1 mark. 10 marks का एक होता है क्लास टेस्ट. And what is the date today? It's 4th or 5th? 5th.
It's 5th, ma'am.
Okay. So for the class test, probably I'll give only 2 chapters. Okay, and it will be from Lord Denning की book. Because इसमें से तो barely we have done anything. So Lord Denning की any 2 chapters I'll pick up and I'll let you know. I'll let you know by tomorrow.
Sure, ma'am.